picking up on the rain. So calming. I listen to this type of stuff when I go to sleep. Like the ocean, the rain, stuff like that, thunder. So relaxing. With my headphones. I can pick up on it. It's like I'm already there. Feels like I'm here. But for now, picking up on the rain. Sometimes when it rains, I notice someone either passed away on that day or a funeral has come. It's kind of weird, but I guess it's washing away the souls or something. It's kind of weird, but every time it rains, and I just love the rain. It's my favorite weather around. Anyways, look out for more of my videos. I'll holler at you later, alright? Bye-bye.